Hi amazing people, welcome and welcome back to the channel. In today's video guys, I share with you the simplest way you can prepare your okra soup. I'll start by cooking the proteins that I'll be using to make this soup. And making use of abode, I'm making use of goat curry, and then I'm using some momo and some turkey as well. I will season my proteins with some seasoning powder, and then I'll also season with some crayfish. I will cover and cook till tender. Halfway through, I'll go ahead to take out the turkeys because at this point they are well cooked and I don't want them to get too soft. And I will go ahead to add them in my air fryer to let them dry a bit before reintroducing them back into the rest of the meat. And then I'll go ahead to cover the rest of the meat to cook till they are proper. So once the rest of the proteins are properly cooked, just set them aside and I will start by making the soup. I've just added some palm oil, some onions. I'll fry for a few minutes. Then I'll add the peppers, the roughly blended peppers. Here I have some bell peppers and some Scotch bonnet peppers. So I will let that fry for a few minutes as well. Then I'll add some locust bean and I'll add some crayfish. Once I've added the crayfish, I'll go ahead to reintroduce back the proteins that I've taken out before. I'll add the meat stock and then I'll also add some seasoning more cube and then I'll add the rest of the crayfish. At this point, just season your soup and make your soup base the way you want it to be. Then once I've added everything, I'll be adding some smoked fish as well. Then I'll cover to bring to a boil for a few minutes. So after 2 to 3 minutes, I'll go ahead to add the okras and then I will stir and make sure they are well combined and I will allow that to cook for another 2 minutes. You can cook more than that if you prefer, but I don't want to overcook my okras. So once I've add the okras have cooked for 2 minutes, I'll go ahead to add the vegetables. Here I made use of Uzuza leaf and it's frozen Uzuza leaf, and I also made use of spinach. So I'll allow that to simmer for another 1 to 2 minutes. So after 2 minutes, the soup is ready, and yeah, thank you so much for watching. If you have watched to this very point, thank you. I do appreciate your stay here. And if you're new here, please do well to subscribe to the channel to be part of the family. And to my old subscribers, thank you for always coming back. I do appreciate all your support. And I will see you all in my next one. Have a blessed weekend.